Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. So, as part of the training programs, we have uploaded our educational modules, module 1 to 16, in both English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. That's very useful. Module 1 to 4 is ideally suited for anyone who is doing plus 1, plus 2 or HSE, whatever you want to call, or in the age group of 17, any stream, not just commerce, even science stream. 1 to 4, anyone and everyone should watch. Module 5 onwards is ideally suited. Module 5 to 8 is for degree holders. And anyone who is doing MBA or anybody who is doing CA, CFA, and those kind of finance specialization, they should definitely watch up to module 15. Module 16 is exclusively for income tax on derivatives. That is for traders who are trading on derivatives, and also for CA, CFA students and those who are doing articleship with auditors. So that is in our Fibocan's YouTube channel. Our daily videos which we put is purely focused on market related. So on Monday to Friday, we put about Indian markets, and over the weekends, either Saturday or Sunday, we put about the global markets. In this video, what we will discuss is, in every video, in the daily videos, we will discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch our daily videos till the end. Don't stop in between. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you. Today is August 13, 2023, Sunday. As always, in the weekends, we will discuss about the global markets, currencies, commodities for the week of August 7, Monday till August 11, Friday. So as always, this will be in three parts. Part 1 will have Dow Nasdaq S&P FTSE and CBOE weeks, and in part 2 we'll be covering dollar index and its components. Of course, USD INR also will cover, and in part 3 we'll discuss about the Brent 9max and US 10-year Treasury yield. First we'll give the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. Dow closed at 35,281.47, 0.6% up. And Nasdaq 13,644.85, 1.9% down. S&P 4464.05, 0.3% down. While FTSE closed at 7524.16, 0.5% down. So overall in this month, Dow is down 0.8%, Nasdaq is down around 5%, S&P and FTSE respectively down around 2.7 and 2.3%. While in this entire year, Nasdaq is even now up by 30%, while FTSE is just up by 1%, Dow is up by 6.4%. So in this week, what happened? It formed last week, if you recollect, it formed the first reversal Dow. We said that it is the first reversal in the Bollinger upper band. Hence, it is a reversal, we told. Yes, this week it followed up with a small green candle. You can call it as a bullish harami candle with a slightly long upper wick, which touched the Bollinger upper band. If you recollect, I said that it might touch the upper band, but it will not close above because the strength is not there. So what had happened? It has formed a small green candle, but it is a type of candle which indicates that next week there is going to be a good fall, big fall. So that type of candle it has formed. In the monthly chart, however, still it has formed a small red candle, spinning top type candle till now. But in the daily chart, it has formed a green candle on Friday. It just managed to hold above the exponential moving average, but it is going to quickly start falling, because when we analyze Nasdaq, last week it formed a solid red candle, post which I said that it is moving towards the exponential moving average. Now it is below the exponential moving average in the weekly chart, and this week it formed a solid red candle, which reflected in the percentage of fall that it had fallen. In the monthly chart, it has formed a bearish engulf type candle, not a bearish engulf, typical bearish engulf, but type of a big solid red candle. Because 5 months it has been moving up. We said that the rising three methods or the falling three methods, in the case of falling, the type of candle it will fall. We had said that at the beginning of this month, or even at July end itself, we had stated. And in the daily chart, key level has been broken. It is sliding down along the Bollinger lower band, and also it has broken down the 50-day moving average. So which is a very important level one should watch. In the S&P, in the case, S&P is in between Nasdaq and Dow. It formed a solid red candle, but not a spinning top to be called, but not a big candle, but it's a relatively medium sized candle one can call, but it is definitely in a downward trend. In the monthly, it has formed more or less similar candle that of S&P, Nasdaq, and a solid red candle, but it is not below the previous month's open, whereas Nasdaq has gone below the previous month's open. And also it has formed a small short covering up move. It had happened on Friday because it is near the 50-day moving average. It has bounced from there, but notwithstanding that, I feel that Monday itself it can open gap down below the 50-day moving average. That is also a possibility. So hence one has to be utmost careful in the global markets. FTSE on the other hand, it formed a spinning top in the weekly chart. Of course, it has broken. It is just about to break the 50-week moving average. In the monthly chart, it is well above, but it has formed a solid red candle with a slightly long lower wick. And in the daily chart, this is something little worrisome in the short term because it has broken below the 50 and 100-day moving average and also below the 200-day. All three averages are below. So, however, FTSE is looking relatively strong. It can bounce in September, but Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, we have to wait and see how the trend is, because if it falls significantly in this month, you can expect further fall in September. CBOE weeks on the other hand, 14.84. Last week we said that it formed a solid green candle, post which the downfall is arrested. This week there is a pullback, and the pullback pushed it below the middle band and the exponential moving average. However, in the monthly chart also it has formed a red candle, but this type of red or green doesn't matter, but the downtrend is over as far as CBOE weeks is concerned. We will see in part 2 dollar index and its components. Thank you.